As a crypto trader, there is one app you need, or there's one website you need, which is called the Coin Market Cap, also known as Coin Market Capitalization. So now this is what the app looks like, all right? So when you stumble into a website or maybe the app like this, okay, guys, I'm going to do a mobile version and also a web version. So this is the web version, all right? In the link below, you're going to see the mobile version, all right? So I'm going to talk about all of that, blah, 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 blah. So right now, I just want to show you those basic things, all right? So there are a lot of things you can do with this, but I want to show you guys those basic things you can actually do and, take advantage of this wonderful free opportunity. So you can sign up. I'm going to sign up. But first of all, let's look at what we can see right here the moment you just click on CoinMarketCap. So it gives you all this bunch of stuff right here. So, but how can you, or do you really understand what's going on here? So now, quickly, first thing you need to know is that you can see cryptocurrencies right here. So you can see ranking of cryptocurrency. That's what they offer. You can see global charts. You can see spotlight. You can see top gainers and losers. So if you click on top gainers and losers, you're going to see the top gainers for today. You're going to see the top losers for today. You're also going to see recently added. I mean, globally there are about three cryptocurrency created every 30 minutes. So, but not all of them goes into coin market cap. Also, if you're looking at exchanges, all right, you can look at spot exchanges. Spot exchanges are example of exchanges are Binance and all that. Binance, Coinbase, and all of that. So you can see derivative, DEX. You can see where you can buy some stuff. Also, portfolio watch list. So you can create a watch list. You can see this one right here is highlighted. I think this is compulsory for everybody for now because I just logged in and see it here. On the norms, it's Bitcoin always at the number, the first one, but I think this is on watch list. So we're all watching it. All right, so you can create a watch list and see those coins you are always interested in. They're going to appear just at the front of this list. All right, so you can learn, of course, and you can also buy Bitcoin from CoinMarketCap using your card and other means of payment. All right, so now you can search for coins. So by clicking that, you can search on coins. All right, so you can see the ones I search lately, and you can see those ones trending. You can see the ones trending right here. So you can search for coins, whichever one you want to search for. So now let's go down. Now if you scroll down, it's just the list, all right? So there are about 2,000 right here, or over 2,000 right here. So but we're not going to go through all the 2,000, or should we go into it? I'm just joking, guys. So you can now see Bitcoin is at number one. This is number one based on the coin market cap. That means based on how much is invested into Bitcoin. So about $609 billion is being invested in Bitcoin. So guys, as at 30 minutes ago, I checked this. I was about creating the video, but I was doing some little research. This was 603 billion dollar. So, but right now we have not seen about another $6 billion added into this into Bitcoin just about 30 minutes ago, resulting to the current price of Bitcoin at the moment. That's huge. All right. So now CoinMarketCap is not listing coin Bitcoin according to the best. All right. So what makes a coin best is the amount of currencies, the amount of money people have actually put inside. Also the volume. All right. So volume is what the amount of Bitcoin being traded today. So as of 24 hours alone, we have seen about 1.5 million 150 Bitcoin being traded. This is 1.5 million Bitcoin being traded just today alone. That's huge, guys. Now the circulating supply is almost like the market supply. So, but this is about 18 billion BTC roaming around the markets, the Bitcoin market cap today alone. So now this changes, all right. So it changes with time. You get so the current price may not be the current price. As you can see, it's changing just currently right now. So Bitcoin is down in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is down 4%. And the last 7 days, Bitcoin has gained 3%. So you can see when you trade and you make losses for that day, it's not, don't just go on with a frown face, all right? So are you holding long? How long are you trading? So you can see it's down 4% today, but gain about 3% in the last 7 days, which is good. So we're looking at the long time of trading. All right, so like I said before, this is the coin market cap. This also changes the volume, the circulating supply. And this is what the chart looks like in the past 7 days. So now you can come here and filter, change your rules and all that, but it doesn't really mean you can just leave it this way. All right, so now aside from cryptocurrency, this is a list of cryptocurrencies. They are derivatives, they are DeFi, they're storage, and they're yield farming. All right, so but right now, if you other things you need to know is that you can actually click on each of these Bitcoin. All right, each of these cryptocurrency right here. You can actually click on them and get information about this coin right here. So, but now also in addition, you should know that number 1 to 10 are the most important coin in the system. So, but from 10 to 20, we cannot just ignore that also. They are also important. So, from 10 to 20. All right. So, while the rest of them we're gonna call them coins that are not of priority. Even one of my best coin, but these coins are not of priority currently at the moment. All right. So that doesn't mean they are shit coins. All right. So there are ways you can identify shit coin. I think I made a video about shit coin. You can go to the you can go to my channel, subscribe of course, and go to my playlist, and you can see a video I made about shit coins, how to identify these shit coins. All right. So now once you click on any um, um, of these right here on the coin market cap, you can actually see information, real-time information about your coin. So this is where you can get a lot of information about your coin. So you can see it is being ranked as number 1. It is a coin, of course, and you can see the source code. If your cryptocurrency you're holding doesn't have a source code, guys, you're being scammed. It's fake. All right, it's not a crypto, it's something else. So go find what it is. But if it has a source code, it is open, it is decentralized. Sadly, Ripple, coins like Ripple doesn't have a source code. All right, so all these are the things you need to know. If you want to know more, of course, maybe subscribe to my channel. Also, hit my DM, ask me questions. I'll be there for you. All right, so now you can see the current price. You can see all the details they're giving you. So now if you scroll down, you can see the charts of Bitcoin, what it looks like. All right, you can change, you can see the price 20k, 30k, 40k. You can see Bitcoin touching 40k, moving back down, blah blah blah, and all of that. And you can gain a lot of information from this by just using your mouse to, go through it. All right, so other things you need to know are about Bitcoin. All right, so like this is the number 1, but it's good. It's cool just to read about this stuff. You need to know about your coins. You need to know who is the founder, the source code behind it, the brain behind it, the purpose of your coin. So most of the coins you're buying are just game coins, which are not going to really do well. Even the old gaming like coins like Tron, for example, it's not going to really do well. So if Tron wants to go do well, it's not going to do well more than 10,000 and $10 or even $100. So, but that's going to be almost impossible because the game industry alone is not up to. If you capitalize the game industry, is not up to. And if you capitalize the game industry, and you create a token for it, it's not even up to $100 per coin. So be careful of the coins you buy there. You need a ground sound knowledge to actually know about all this stuff. So right, yeah. So like I said, you can also sign up. All right, so you can sign up, but I don't want to go deep into those stuff right now. I just want to make a review for you guys and see how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoy this short video. Make sure you like and subscribe. So if you want to sign up quickly, we just have to do this, and you click and sign up, then you can get notifications and all of that. So I don't want to go too deep, like I said, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Love you all.